Space is vast. It's easy to think of it as empty and unchanging, but that's far from the truth. The cosmos is alive with motion, a cosmic ballet of celestial objects in a perpetual dance of gravity, and sometimes those objects collide. These collisions, as catastrophic as they seem, are not just destructive events. They are the engines of cosmic creation, the birth pangs of stars, planets, and even life itself. Imagine two galaxies, vast islands of stars, gas, and dust, drawn together by an irresistible gravitational pull. Their graceful spiral arms, once serene and distant, become intertwined in a cosmic waltz. This dance culminates in a spectacular collision, a cosmic firework display of unimaginable scale. But amidst this apparent chaos, a new order emerges. The collision of galaxies is not a simple head-on crash, it's a drawn-out process that unfolds over millions, even billions of years. As galaxies merge, their clouds of gas and dust are compressed and heated. This triggers a frenzy of star formation, igniting the cosmos with the light of newborn stars. These starburst galaxies, as they are known, are some of the most luminous objects in the universe. They are cosmic factories, churning out stars at a prodigious rate. The intense radiation from these young stars illuminates the surrounding gas and dust, painting breathtaking nebulae across the cosmic canvas. These collisions also play a crucial role in the growth and evolution of galaxies. By merging with smaller companions, galaxies accumulate more material, fueling further star formation and shaping their structure. Our own Milky Way galaxy, for example, has likely undergone numerous mergers throughout its history, each one contributing to its present-day grandeur, and the cosmic dance continues. Even now, our galaxy is on a collision course with our nearest galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. At a distance of about 2.5 million light-years, Andromeda may seem safely distant. But the relentless tug of gravity is drawing us closer together at a speed of about 250,000 miles per hour. In about 4 billion years, our two galaxies will collide in a spectacular display of cosmic fireworks. But fear not, this cosmic encounter is unlikely to spell the end of our solar system. The vast distances between stars mean that direct collisions are highly improbable. Instead, our solar system will likely be flung out into a new region of the merged galaxy, perhaps with a changed view of the cosmic landscape. This galactic merger will be a transformative event for both galaxies, triggering a new wave of star formation and reshaping their structures. It's a reminder that the universe is not static, but a dynamic and ever-evolving place, shaped by the interplay of gravity and the cosmic dance of its constituents. Section 4. Stellar fireworks, forging elements of life in the crucible of stars. Cosmic collisions aren't limited to galaxies. Stars themselves can collide, particularly in densely populated regions like globular clusters. These stellar smash-ups can be incredibly energetic events, releasing vast amounts of energy and light. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect of these stellar collisions is their role in creating some of the universe's most valuable elements. Deep within the cores of stars, lighter elements like hydrogen and helium are fused together to form heavier elements, a process known as nuclear fusion. This is the source of energy for stars, powering their light and heat for billions of years. However, the most massive stars end their lives in spectacular explosions called supernovae. These cataclysmic events scatter the elements forged in their cores into space, enriching the interstellar medium with the building blocks of planets and life. Even more extreme are collisions involving neutron stars, the incredibly dense remnants of massive stars. Section 5. Cosmic sculptors, asteroids, comets, and the shaping of worlds. Cosmic collisions have also played a pivotal role in shaping our own planet and the emergence of life. Asteroids and comets, the leftover debris from the formation of our solar system, have bombarded Earth throughout its history. While these impacts have caused widespread destruction, they have also delivered water and organic molecules to our planet, potentially contributing to the origin of life. The evidence for these ancient impacts is etched into Earth's surface in the form of impact craters, some of which are still visible today. These cosmic scars serve as a reminder of the dynamic nature of our solar system and the profound influence that cosmic collisions have had on the evolution of our planet. From the grand collisions of galaxies to the fiery deaths of stars and the impacts of asteroids on Earth, cosmic collisions are not just destructive events but essential processes that drive the evolution of the universe. They remind us that the cosmos is not a static and unchanging place, but a dynamic and ever-evolving tapestry woven from the threads of gravity, energy, and matter. These collisions, both magnificent and destructive, are a testament to the creative and transformative power of the universe itself.